Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aquarius. So this is going to be your daily reading, Aquarius, for your general energies and also for your love energies, Aquarius. Let's just see what's coming up for your general energies, Aquarius, before we move on to your love energies, guys. Aquarius, what is coming up for your general energies, Aquarius? For your general energies. Okay, so we have the kindness, we have nurture your dreams. I'll just shuffle once more, guys. Okay, so we have the strong, be strong, and be content. So generally the universe is asking you to just be content with what you have, be strong, make sure that you accomplish your dreams and goals before you move on to another one, and make sure you are kind to people around you, because I see that this, when you're being kind and loving to people around you, you gain more. People are really kind and nice to you, they gain more trust in you, they really feel like drawn to you is also what I'm getting here, guys. Okay, so just make sure that you're kind and nice to people around you, and you're staying really happy and excited with the overall situation, because everything will turn out according to your expectation only if you're kind, loving, and nice with people around you. Okay, so that is what I'm getting here for you guys. So again, today, Aquarius, you might be finding out that something is really not right, or you might feel that you want to boost your self-confidence a little bit. You might start grooming yourself. You might feel like you want something that is long term. I see here you will be interested in something that is long term. So if you're going to get hair spa done, you will want it to be long term. If you want a relationship, you will want it to be long term. Whatever it is, you want it to be long term. You don't want it to be something really short, and you don't want like that, guys. I see that you are really going to become possessive, or someone is really irritated with this energy. Okay, but this person, I also see here, Aquarius, that you will be doing whatever you should in order to have that happy energy is what I'm getting here. You want to be really happy with the situation, you want to develop that self-esteem within you, and you will do whatever you have to kind of stay happy and develop that self-esteem is what I'm getting here, guys. So I hope you got the overall energies, my lovelies. Let's see what's coming up for your love energies now. So for your love energies, guys, I'll be using some tarot cards, because to get a detailed insight with the situation. Okay, so let's see what's coming up for your love energies, guys. I'm sorry, Aquarius, what's coming up for your love energies? Aquarius. Okay, guys, I definitely see here that this person's very much attracted towards you, and they want to manifest this happy new beginning with you. But Aquarius, before that, I see here that this person is really attracted to you so much. Some kind of a change is going to happen in your connection. It can be like they want to take this relationship to the next level, like they want this accomplishment or so and so is what I'm getting here. But also this person may like want this relationship to end for some of you. Okay, so this relationship might take a very different turn, and it might be really really different for you guys. You will never feel like you want this person's ending the connection, or you'll never even you'll not feel like this is happening also is what I'm getting here. Okay, and Aquarius, this person is very mad about you. They really want to work this connection with you. They will do anything to manifest this connection into a physical reality. They're just so mad about you. They're very, very deeply attracted to you, is what I'm getting here, guys. This person is very, 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 very attracted to you. They will do whatever to manifest this connection. They know that they had to take a lot of risk to manifest whatever it is, but this person is really ready to take any kind of risk, is what I'm getting here, guys. So this is all I'm getting for you today. Thank you all so much for watching. Your lucky color for today is black, and your lucky crystal for today is obsidian. Bye guys, see you all tomorrow.